My name is Dinh Nguyen. I am the president and co-owner of TD West Electric. We are a C10 electrical contractor, and we provide mainly service for commercial and residential. We focus on the residential side with panel upgrades, lighting upgrades, and EV chargers. We try to provide the best service possible, and what does that mean? We're honest and upfront, and we just focus on just building the relationship and answer any questions that you may have, whether it be an EV charger or a panel upgrade. You should choose us because we're good at what we do. Number one, we follow through and follow up to make sure that the task is done properly and correctly to code the first time, and we provide you the support after the fact. And our goal is to just have customer satisfaction. So if you're unsatisfied with the product, we're there to make sure that we correct the problem and provide you with what you want and need. Our guys are trained in scissor lift, they have lockout, tag out, they have construction training, fall protection. Some of us have OSHA 30. Why is that important? Because it eliminates the worry when you're in the attic or when you're on a roof or on a ladder, and just have them focus on the electrical side, running the proper wire for the proper circuit. We basically provide classes for them so that they can use that in the field and excel in what they do. We got our license in 2017. We are located in Union City, but we've done jobs all over the Bay Area. TD West Electric, we stand by our values, and that's integrity and honesty. So our motto is, your dark days are over. And as an electrical contractor, I feel like it's very fitting. Not only, our line of work, obviously, bringing light to any room that you need. That search ends with us. That's where that motto comes from, the dark days of just looking for a good electrician or a good contractor. So if you have an electrical job, big or small, please call TD West Electric.